If you were exposed to any of the following corrosives or similar substances, immediately seek an eye face wash and shower combination unit. These units are best used for exposure to hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride, sodium hydroxide, ethylene oxide, or similar corrosives and irritants. Most commonly found in chemical manufacturing facilities, wastewater treatment plants, and pulp and paper plants. Immediately after exposure, begin moving towards the nearest combination, eye face wash and shower, and shout for help. If you are wearing any personal protective equipment, do not remove it until you have entered and engaged the safety shower. Once you've reached the safety shower, immediately activate it by utilizing the manufacturer's method for activation, typically a pull rod extending down from the shower valve. With the shower running, completely disrobe. This includes contaminated PPE and clothing. Contaminants can get trapped in the fabrics and continue to do harm. After disrobing, immediately activate the eye face wash by pressing the activation paddle. Again, this method differs based on the manufacturer and type of equipment, but is generally a push paddle on combination units. This can differ based on the brand of equipment, but always research the activation method of the equipment in your area. The eye face wash should activate immediately. Rinse the affected areas. If the eyes were exposed or you suspect they were exposed, use your fingers to spread your eyelids as far as possible and roll your eyes in a circular motion to ensure maximum effectiveness of the dedicated eye wash streams on the eye face wash. Continue flushing until 15 minutes has passed. Call emergency services when the flushing is complete if it has not already been done for you. Be sure to inform first responders of what you were exposed to right away. Combination unit considerations. Consider installation of emergency shower curtains. This allows users to maintain some decency during their first aid emergency. If the hazard was in any way corrosive or an irritant, remove all clothing after activation of the emergency shower and eye face wash.